Good morning all. This video we are going to work with our binary file using pickle module. Three functions we will design. First of all, how to write record, and that record will contain roll number, name and marks of the student. Then second function I will design two records from the file to read that file, and last one I will perform searching on our binary file using print the roll number and name of the students having marks greater than 35. So this is a search operation in binary file using pickle module. So first of all, I need to import our module, that is pickle. Okay, then three function I want to design, def, enter. This is the name of the function to write record into the file. Second function is get record, get function to print all the records, and then last one is print roll number and name of the student having marks greater than 35. So this I am writing, name of the function is search by marks. As we have discussed in the previous video, we are having two ways to work with the binary file. One is using encoding and decode function, and second one is using pickle module. In encode and decode, what we are doing, we are converting our record into a single string, and that single string we are doing encoding, and after that we are encoded portion or encoded text we are writing into our file. Means your encode and decode function deals with string only, but when we are working with the pickle module, what we are doing here, we are using two function. One is dump function to write into the binary file. Second function is the load function to read from the binary file. So here we are working with the object. So any type of object you can write into your binary file using pickle module, either string, it can be list, or it can be tuple or dictionary also. Okay, so that thing, because in encode and decode you can work with only string, but in pickle with all type of object you can work. So it will make our work bit easy. Let's see how. So first of all, I will create my file demo.bin, and then wb file will be created. Okay, then I will write title, so here if I can write any type of object in my file, so why not list? So here roll number, name and your marks, that we will write into our file using dump function. So pickle dot dump. Now your dump function will take two arguments. First argument will be what you want to write, so title I want to write. Second argument will be the name of the file, sorry, not the name of the file, the object f, because when you are working with the file you need to create one object, only that object will deal with the file. Okay, so finally title we have written into our file. Now the turn of records. One variable I am maintaining, choice is equal to y. Okay, then while choice equal to y, what we are supposed to do till our this condition is true, we will take record from the user and will write into our file. So rn is equal to input int input, enter, roll number, name is equal to input enter name, then marks is equal to int input enter marks. Okay, now we will prepare our record. Record is equal to this one, and here we will write rn comma nm comma nks. What is the difference? When we were working with our encoding decoding function, you need to make a single string, and that string you will write into the file. Here one list we are creating, so there we need to convert our integer into string, but here no need, directly you can write into file. Now the turn to dump that one into file. Pickle dot dump, what you want to dump? Record comma where you want to dump? F. Okay, one record is written. Now we will ask the choice of the user. Choice is equal to input. If want to enter more records, press Y, otherwise press N. Done. Okay, so this loop will enter all the records that you want to write into your file. Next, after this we will give one statement to the user that all the records entered, and last we will close our file. So this is the function to enter record in our binary file using pickle module. We need to call this function to work, so enter. Let's execute this one. Okay. Enter roll number 1, name is this one, marks 45. If you want to enter more record, press Y, otherwise press N. Y, enter roll number 2, roll number, name HJK. Enter roll number 1, name is ERT, marks 67. Yes. Then enter roll number 5, name is TO, marks 89 N. So what it is telling, all the records enter. Clear? Now we will see how to read from the file. All the records are written into the file. I want to see those records. We will open our file. F is equal to open demo dot bin in read mode, right? Yes. Now record is equal to pickle dot load and F. From F we are loading our record. So loop we will go while record print record, and finally here we will write next record reading. And at the last we will close our file. To take this one, I will call this function. Let's see what will happen. I will clear my screen. Yes, so Python 3, enter roll number 1, name is RTY, marks 78. One more record I want to enter. Roll number is 3, name is DFG, marks 78. No. So it has given me the record, but what happened? See, last error is coming, end of file error. What is happening? This is the exception, because in binary file we are not having end of file character. That's why this error is coming. So how to handle? So for this thing we are having a exception handling procedure. So we will put up, because this is the area where are the chances of coming error. So I will put this block into try and except block. So try, if error is coming, except. If any message you want to give, you can give, or simply pass you can write. Here I can write end of file is reached. So now we'll see. One, name RTY, marks 56. One more record, enter roll number 2, name is this one, marks 34. No. See, end of file is reached, but here it is showing as a list. So what will I do while printing? I will print like this, print record 0, comma record 1, record 2. In previous example, if you have noticed, what we were doing, we were splitting these values. So here, because our record is maintained as a list, no need of splitting. So that is one more advantage we are getting here. Only one entry I will do here. No. Now all the records are entered and roll number, name, marks. Here you can see the output. Now irrespective of exception, our message is coming. So that was the exception handling procedure what we had used. Okay. So if all the records you are entering, then what I am asking is just print the name, roll number and name of the student who are having marks greater than a particular value, who are having, for example, I am giving who are having marks greater than 35. So let's see that one. This is my function name. During searching you are reading your file. So same I will copy paste. Open the file, we are loading. Now irrespective of printing the whole detail, what will I do? If record to greater than or equal to 35, or here value you can pass. Then we are supposed to print roll number and name. So record 0 like that we can print. But here one problem will come. Your first line is the title. How it will compare? Okay, so here I am writing next F. What will it do? It will skip the title of the file. From the first record it will check. Wait, I didn't call the function. My marks will go as argument. So here I will mention the marks. For example, I want ID and name of the student who are having marks greater than 35. Name RTY marks 56, SY one name is this marks 56. If you want to enter mode code Y, then roll number 3, name is RTY, marks 78. Then again Y I am taking, roll number is 3, name is FGH, marks 25 I will give. Okay. No. Okay, let's see what happened. Record is equal to pickle.load one is this marks 67. If you want to enter more code, Y 2, roll number, name is this, marks 25 I am giving. No. Yes, so here it is giving. If you want to enter body code, yes, the file is given and end of file is reached. So it has given roll number and name of only those students who are having marks greater than 35. So only first roll number student is having marks greater than 35. That's why it has given that one as a result. So like that we have seen how pickle module, using pickle module you can dump the data, you can load the data, and how you can search the data in the binary file. Hope so you understood this one. Okay, so if you want to deal with the binary file, dealing means you are going to write record, you are going to read record, you are going to search into the file. Two ways you are having. One is encoding decoding, another one is the pickle module, means dump and load. Encoding decoding, only string you can enter into the file, or you can write only string into the file, but here any type of object you can write into your file, and that will be a bit easy. So next we will discuss about our CSV file. Thank you for this session.